Every great library begins with a mission: to connect people with information that matters. But how does a library decide what to collect, preserve, or share? The answer lies in collection development and management, two pillars shaping every resource on the shelf and screen. Collection development is the art and science of building collections based on user and institutional needs. It means evaluating what people seek, selecting materials in every format, and laying the foundation for future learning. Collection management takes this further. It's about maintaining, evaluating, budgeting, preserving, and organizing what's been acquired, ensuring relevance and longevity throughout a collection's life cycle. For collection librarians, these responsibilities are both intricate and rewarding. It's not just choosing which books or databases to add, but developing and refining collection policies, studying user needs, and aligning resources with budgets and funding. It also means knowing when to weed or preserve materials, supporting outreach, and strengthening collaboration and resource sharing beyond one's own walls. Historically, libraries were vaults of knowledge, places to safeguard precious scrolls, manuscripts, or volumes. Over centuries, libraries shifted from mere preservation to supporting education, research, and entire communities. Professional librarians stepped into roles once held by trustees or faculty, transforming collection practices across academic, public, and school libraries. Each library type grew with its own vision. Academic libraries evolved as research and discovery hubs. Public libraries became centers of lifelong learning and recreation. School libraries embraced the challenge to support teaching, literacy, and multimedia engagement. Yet major debates persist. Should collections favor user demands or professional judgments? Is popular content as valuable as educational material? How can intellectual freedom be ensured amid sensitivity or censorship concerns? And how do libraries balance immediate needs with enduring goals? The financial landscape introduces more complexity. With rising publication costs and limited budgets, libraries increasingly rely on interlibrary loans and sharing. The shift from collecting just in case to providing access just in time marks a new era in resource management. Digital technology amplifies these changes. Electronic journals, databases, and digital repositories expand access and responsibilities. Licensing, copyright, and digital preservation now demand equal attention. The focus shifts not only to what is owned, but how it is made accessible and preserved. Ultimately, effective collection development and management ensure libraries remain vital sources of information, fueling education, research, and community learning. By understanding and embracing both tradition and transformation, library professionals are empowered to build collections that connect and inspire, now and for generations to come.